Something else I like to keep in my bag is this flat, simple piece of material that has snaps on 4 corners. It goes on every trip with me. I've had it for years, and it is one of the most useful, functional, genius little products I take with me. I simply, when I arrive at a hotel, one of the first things I unpack is this simple little piece of fabric with 4 snaps on the corners. It gives me instant organization. I can put this on an entry table. Sometimes I use it in the bathroom to organize toiletries. Most of the time, I put it on my night bedside table. I can put my sound machine, my fan, my vitamins, my flashlight, things I might reach for, my phone, my headphones, things I'm going to reach for during the night. And to have everything in one place is so helpful. Also, when you're packing back up, you know that most of the things that are very important to you are in this little tray. And it literally doesn't take up a lot of space. Most bags have an admin pocket where you can slide a tablet or a file folder. It slides right into that, and it's so lightweight. This foldable tray, you can get it in leather. I have seen them also in this felt. This is what I prefer because it's just so lightweight. But there's different fabrications, so find the one that works best for you. But that's why this one has a place in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.